What's good, good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by yours truly, T-Bone Mama Duke, aka The Duke. Today we're gonna see if we can make some chili non carne on the Potjie pot. But hold up a minute there, amigo. We gotta make ourselves a little fire. We stack the wood in a neat little pile, light with a match and puff a while. Now we begin our chili Potjie adventure by just using these little woodies here on a little pile, and we'll come back to it in a minute. And we are looking good. Ain't that a beauty? I could start a fire all day long, but we got these ingredients to get ready. We got an assortment of beans, bell peppers, zucchini, celery, all kinds of herbs and spices, and our caveman knife to help us do the job. We're gonna start up with our Ultimo knife by the caveman style. We're just gonna slice up this celery. I'm gonna take it inside a minute just to wash her off. Okay, we're all cleaned up and ready for the pot. We're gonna slice and slice away. Mindy fingies. These caveman badass blades sure are sharp, but I do love it. Okay, so we're just chopping up our celery, and this is gonna go straight into the pot. After we sit down upon that throne, make sure the Potjie pot is sitting correct. Okay, we're just gonna tidy her up a little bit there, and we are off and ready to go. We're gonna lay down a handsome glug of oil. That'll do her. And in go our celery. Just very carefully make sure it goes into the pot. Don't want to drop any bits. I always drop a little bit here and there, but I'm not gonna do it today. Now I'm gonna throw down a little chopped frozen onion, because I cannot be bothered to stand here chopping up an onion today. Throw down a little cumin, stir up. Now I know you're not supposed to stir the Potjie pot, but we're making traditional Potjie today. It's coming along just fine. Look at that cumin, nice and translucent, taking on the cumin. We're gonna throw down a little bit of tinned tomato and a little bit of water. Just rinse out the tomato can. Beginning to smell good already. Now, like the onions, I'm also cannot be bothered to stand here chopping up garlic. So in that goes also frozen garlic. Little chipotle paste. Couple of spoons in there. This is gonna add flavor on top of our flavor. Stir up. Making some good old chili today. Chili non carne. We're just gonna let that bubble away for a little while and throw down a little bit more firewood. Just gonna squeeze it in under there. There's not a lot of space, but I think that'll do it. One more little looky. Oh yeah, look at that, stir up. Getting some good color in there already. Yeah, I think we grab another tin of tomatoes in there just to give her a little bit more juice. Stir up. Okay, so we're looking good, but we also got a little contraband. Shoo-wee! Look at these bad boys. So these were grown by my buddy Ross down the road here in South Gilly last summer, and he kindly donated them to my freezer. And these are so badass, a mixture of Scorpion and Carolina Reapers. I think this is the one we're gonna use. You're just gonna throw in there. What do you think? Do you dare me? Ah, too late! Don't tell my wife, she'll kill me. Ave Maria. Okay, let's have a little looky. She's still in there. Holy that. Coming in hot by South Gilly. We better throw down some beans to mop up some of that heat. We're gonna go in with some cannellini beans, and how about some butter beans? Next in, we're gonna go in bulk barrel with some red kidney beans. You can't have a bean party without having all the beans. We got another tin of red kidney beans. And we're gonna throw down some black-eyed beans as well. Oh, now we're just gonna rinse these off. Get rid of that nasty tin bean juice. Oh man, I don't like this smell, but I like the beans. You can't have a bean party without the beans. Next up, we're gonna chop up our bell peppers. green and red with our ultimo caveman style knife. Now this dish we're making today, I've made hundreds of times indoors. I've never done it before on the potjie pot, so this is a first for me and I can't wait to see how it comes out because everything tastes better in the potjie pot. Speaking of the pot, let's get her in the pot. Don't drop it. Oh, never mind. Next we're gonna sauce up our zucchini. I do like a little bit of zucchini in the pot. Gives you some of your fiber day. And into the pot we go. Stir it up. Yeah. And in they go, very gently. Our beans. I tell you, this is thirsty work. Who's thirsty? And we let everybody that's been invited to the dance get to know each other. I think we're on our way to a good old chili non carne bean party. Goodness, Shazamness. I tell you what, this is thirsty work. I'm feeling parched. I think it's time for a little drink. Who's joining me? Okay, let's have a little sneak peek. Well, it's looking good. Look at that beautiful color and all those little ingredients cooking so good. It's time to put the finishing touches. I know there ain't much room in there, but we got just enough for a little mushroom. Oh yeah, and the sweet corn. This is my favorite ingredient. We're gonna throw it in, juice and all. Oh man, the finishing touches to this dish. We're just gonna stir her up. Now, I know you're not supposed to stir a potjie, but this ain't a traditional potjie. This is a great meal to have midweek. We have it all the time. If you eat a lot of meat like I do, it's a great alternative to get your protein. Right, we're just gonna get this lit for a final little bring her home. Hey, Bobby!
Yeah.
I've been busy preparing for our annual hide and seek tournament.
Yeah.
But good contestants are hard to find. Okay, so we've been cooking for a few hours now, probably just coming up to about 3 hours, and let's have a little sneak peek. What we got?
Shazam.
Oh, look at that, people. I think it's time to bring this little baby home. Smells incredible. Let's see what we got. Beautiful chili, vegetable, chili non carne. We're gonna bring her off and dish her up into some tacos. Oh, can't wait. Oh man, that's a beauty. I can't wait to taste it coming off the potjie. There's just something beautiful about watching this pot cook all day long and then bringing her off when she's ready and just having a good old little feed. All right, let's bring her off. Let's have a little looky. So we're just nearly 3 hours cooking, and what we got? Oh, yeah. Oh, man. All that goodness. Man, you ain't even gonna miss the meat when you get this dished up on your plate. And onto your tacos with a little bit of cheese, a little avocado, pear, extra chili. Look at that.
Shazam.
Oh, man. Now, that's just about all we got time for. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.